You guys don't have a YouTube channel?
Nah.
You guys
Behind the back.
We need that.
Home. I can drill with my right hand maybe better.
We'll start a mission vlog.
You guys, yeah.
Do it again.
We should.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna hop on that.
They try to get a cookie. You just imagine the ball.
Bro, one.
Bet.
Back then you used to love it, sipping on a sixer with me. Does it ever make you sad to know that was 7 summers ago?
Sorry.
Oh, my head.
You're gonna be this
Green. All right, if you hit 2 shots, if you hit 2 shots in a row, then I'm only like this.
Okay, so you're playing I'm jabbing, get a little space, jabbing again, and I'm here, cross, side, cross.
You just gotta fill them out, right?
That's a splash. The thing is,
I didn't jump though.
Yeah,
I'm just peeping your body. I'm just peeping
It's
your
going
body.
slow, and he's not fluent because you got a bump.
Yo, mind you, I'm like this. I'm like,
Get you a block.
Y'all hear me doing a why?
Yeah.
But you see how I was being, right? My defense is. Oh, listen.
Is it good?
Mind you, we're not even playing right now.
The face, what we rocking?
Got some El Pastor tacos, $1 each.
$1. Zot.
$1 each. Oh, asada and pastor.
$1 each. Dang. Local Mexican. We're gonna see if he like them. We got the resident Mexican. How was it?
The resident Mexican?
Yeah. How was the food?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
I'm telling it.
Pretty good.
Alright, let's eat.
Bro, what are the chances that...
Just trying today. We chillin'. Big chillin'. Big chillin'.
It's gonna take so long.
Big chillin'.
We've been here for so long, man. Too big chilling.
Too big chillin'.
Yeah, just slightly smaller chilling.
Little less.
Yeah.
Little less. Elder, we like that. We like that.
Vacuum seal bags.
Is that a pillow?
You'll see.
Oh, shaped like a triangle.
Sleeping wedge.
Hey. All right, new.
Sorry, did you get that on camera? Did you want to get that on camera?
Yes, sir. We got the new apartment first impressions. Clean bathroom, workout room. Let's see what we got. We got the bedroom. What else we got, Elder Mitchell? What we running?
We got the fridge.
We got the fridge, washer and dryer.
You gotta see the previous tenants.
We got the Reese's Puffs.
Okay, so if you
Okay, let's check it.
There's only like a handful of vegetables.
Okay.
There's lots of eggs.
Eggs are good.
And chicken, so lots
Chicken's
of protein.
good.
There's
Almond
a
milk
whole
good.
thing of unopened cookies and cream Hershey's.
Okay, talk your
So-
stuff.
Yeah, we can use this to bribe the people so they don't take our beds.
That's true. All right, what else? We got the bacon. We got water. All right.
Oh, we also have a
Freezer. Hey yo, chopped spinach. We high on that. Root beer and vanilla float ice cream.
and pizza, so you probably won't have to cook.
Do we want to put that pizza in the oven right now? We
I
need
guess
lunch.
so. I'm a.
Oh, you're allergic to that. Never mind. We'll put that back. Or you're allergic to that. We got.
Oh, and there's things of fry sauce.
We like that. Come out here. We got the whole backyard. Got to take care of and tend to.
Oh, and flowers.
Flowers. We got the. What do you think happened in that chair?
Terrible things.
Terrible. We getting out of here, y'all. Mitchell, what just happened?
Well, we recorded a video and then we realized we weren't recording.
Okay, what happened before that? What did we talk about in that video?
Okay, we were having. We got a new.
We got a new. First one of the mission, Elder Mitchell, day one. Baptism under his belt, new under his belt. We're gonna go back, play some guitar, sing some vocals. She's gonna play the flute, her son on the piano. We'll get that video on Facebook. We'll get our names out there.
See ya.
See ya. Yo, what the bird doing? Bird doing? Elder, what just happened? What'd you encounter?
Someone blessed me.
Someone decided to roll down their window. Very kind gent, roll down their window. Give us the good old frick you with the middle finger.
Yeah.
As we're walking to Bishop's house.
That's the biggest finger, so you know it's a great blessing.
W blessings. Blessed are those who are cursed for my name's sake. W blessings. We just out here in North Salt Lake trying our best.
And we've been blessed already.
We've been blessed. We will continue to be blessed. We out here eating lunch. Good brethren. Pizza had to come represent Elder. Good old mod.
Sorry, it was white already.
Field is white. It's kind of, the area looks like on top of the hill, and then we cover all of that down there. Oh, that was some of that. And this is the area from the top. Neighborhoods down there. This is the zone. This is
that's
the squad.
The salt sites right now over there. That's a lot of salt.
You know, violence, salt.
No wars were fought over that much salt, or less.
Indeed. That's the zone.
We also
Nah, this plant, these things are nasty. Look at all these spikes.
plant that's against
But
the
he's been smoking the Marlboros. He is not keeping the commandments. The Elder Mitchell himself on the drums. Yes, sir, and that's what it's all about here in the ULM. Just serving God, playing the drums, beating people. W missionary work. We're up here in some apartments looking for our friend.
and also hunting ghosts, but that's kind of incidental.
And hunting a couple ghosts. If it was darker, it'd be spookier. Luckily, we got the light of Christ and the lights. But here's to hoping we find them.
It is. Sorry, I got it.
There was a bird in the apartment. Hold up. There are birds in the apartment.
If there are birds feeding right there, that might be me then, just a little bit.
Birds. Alright, we'll just keep going to our meeting. We out here, 4th of July festivals, show winds, show storms. Let's see.
So he's able to kind of speak to us, see if God was burning in the bosom. Have you ever heard something and it just felt really true to you? It just felt really true?
I got mod. I'm here with Janella and Casey. We also got Dutch. Okay, bye!
Squad rolling up to the parade. Let's go. Yes, sir.
We're looking forward to getting elders.
How's it going? Yes, sir.
We're taking over
Tell me about it, Za.
Yeah, it's our time to shine again. It's time to make Utah 100% members again.
100% member rate.
All the way.
All the way.
Oh, tell me, how are we gonna accomplish that before you go to your OG assignment?
Threaten.
Threaten?
Martial law.
Martial law.
Mosaic law.
Mosaic law. Valid, valid.
They just drop their arms.
But they keep on forgetting what they wrote down.
Za.
Maybe like this, but like the
Go ahead, Obi. Yeah! Oh my God. For this. And that's the end.